Hey everybody, I have an ukulele to show you today. This is number 651. The body is Mastergrade Myrtle. Top, back, and sides. A really beautiful set. Myrtle grows in Oregon and California, and that's about it. And it's a pretty fancy log we've got here. Lots of beautiful color variation. It's well quarter sawn and lots of curl. And I did the binding in darker myrtle on this one. And that includes on the fretboard, which I think looks really nice. Pistachio for headplate, fretboard, and bridge, with an old salvaged fir neck. So tenor, all Myrtle tenors, I mean, it's a real standard for me. That started when I worked at Miami. You know, I kind of think of Myrtle as our koa here in Oregon. So. And the customer wanted a warm and dark sound, and it was a really fun project to work on. So they also wanted the edges to be rounded a little bit more than normal, and I did that, and it feels really good. It's a nice tenor. So this is number 651, ready to go. Cheers.